Assalamualaikum to the examiners and my supervisor. I hope all of you are in a good health condition despite the current situation. My name is Ismayanti binti Isa, final year material engineering student in International Islamic University Malaysia. In this video, I would like to present to you about my final year project for this semester. As you can see in the slide, the title of my project is Characterization of Melaleuca Alternifolia T3 Extraction Oil Fill Biofilm. This chart explains about the flow of skincare products that being used in our daily products. For example, if the skincare products contain chemical components, what do you think will happen next? Once it washed away, it flows down to the legs, rivers and seas through the piping system. These chemical components do not break down and end up accumulate with the ecosystem. Here is the effect of it. Firstly, it can endanger the aquatic and wildlife habitat. It also characterize, accumulate and return as rain that affect agricultural soil and household dust particles. So this issue lead to problem statement of this project. Firstly, as explained before about how non-natural ingredients in skincare products lead to environmental damage. However, excessive use of natural ingredients can also threaten the species. Hence, with this problem stated, this project come up with two solutions, which are also the objective for this project in this semester. First objective is to study the effect of antimicrobial activity of tea tree oil, and the second objective is to determine the optimum content for tea tree oil as additive to treat acne. Refers to the first objective, tea tree oil is chosen as natural ingredients to treat acne. What is tea tree oil? The picture on the left shows is Melaleuca Alternifolia plant where its leaves will produce tea tree oil from steam distillation process. It is traditionally used to heal cuts and wounds. It is widely known due to its antimicrobial activity. The pinene for oil, which is the main component inside tea tree oil, comes from monoterpene class, and the class is known for having antibacterial properties. Based on the previous research and studies, some testing have been made to prove its antimicrobial activity. First, to prove antibacterial activity, Rieder-Walker coefficient test is used, and Rieder-Walker coefficient test is the ratio of dilution of disinfectant. In this case, disinfectant is tea tree oil to the dilution of phenol that can kill the organism in the same time under the same condition. Testing results show that tea tree oil can disinfect bacteria 11 times higher than phenol. They also proven effective against all 10 pathogenic bacteria from the growth dilution test and agar-well diffusion test. Both tests is to test the susceptibility of microorganisms to antibiotics. The number of lesions decreased from mild to moderate when 5% of tea tree oil is applied to a person. When 28 women with vaginitis is treated with 0.2 gram of tea tree oil, 21 out of them free from CL beacon, and then 24 out of 28 does not experience having any burning sensation. Burning sensation means it does not have any side effect. Then, for its effectiveness against antiprotozoal, when mice are exposed 40 hours under 5% of tea tree oil, no mites survive. It also can inhibit 50% of plaque formation of HSV1 and HSV2. HSV is a disease that caused by human papillomavirus. It is a virus that spreads through skin-to-skin contact. It also can reduce histamine-induced skin edema when being applied after histamine injection. Histamine is a medical term for allergy. And then, so the idea is to make tea tree oil in a gel form. This table shows all the substances that used to make tea tree oil into biofilm in a gel form, and this is the composition for each substance. So, 35% of propanediol with 20% propylene glycol are mixed together. Magnetic stirrer is considered to use as it provides the constant stirring speed. Then, 2% of salicylic acid and 3% of tea tree oil is dissolved together with the previous mixture. Meanwhile, 2% of hydroxypropylmethylcellulose or HPMC is reacted with 10% of glycerin. This HPMC and distilled water is mixed together with pipe A and pipe B, and the final mixture is then stirred moderately until gel is formed. The effect of antimicrobial activity of tea tree oil is proven to be effective for its antimicrobial activity due to its main component, which is terpenen for oil, and also 3 to 5% is set as the optimal range for tea tree oil to be effective for its antimicrobial activity. And here is some reference I used to while preparing this slide. That's all. Thank you for me.